In this video, I'm going to explain to you how Facebook advertisements will allow you to sponsor more team members into your network marketing business than you ever have before. So if you're a network marketer or an MLMer, direct seller who is looking to start using Facebook advertising in your business, but you're kind of on the edge, or maybe you're not sure whether you should do it or not, I'm going to show you why Facebook advertisements is so powerful for growing your team internationally, and so you can become top earner and whatever rank you desire, okay? So we're gonna hop over to the whiteboard and I'm gonna explain to you how you'll be able to achieve that in your network marketing business. So there are two main reasons how Facebook advertisements will allow you to sponsor as many people as you want that you desire in your network marketing business. And I mean 50 to 100 or even more once you finally get the ad working, okay? So there's two reasons. The first one is that you can get laser targeted on the exact person that you want in your business. So if you are someone in the travel industry, you can tell Facebook and say, hey, I want someone who is interested in travel and is also interested in business. Okay. So this is how it works. Okay. So you can have, back in school, if you remember this, okay. So you can have two circles just like this, right? And you can tell Facebook, you can tell Mark Zuckerberg, right? And you can say, hey, I want someone interested in travel, all right? Which is obviously this circle. And I also want someone that is interested in business, okay? So we're gonna put that down, all right? Someone who is also interested in business. Now, I think I've got that a bit too small. Anyway, I'll do it like that, okay? So when Facebook does this, they send your advertisement to someone who is interested in business. They want to make money. They want to become financially free, whatever it is, which is your network marketing opportunity. And they're also interested in travel. And when you send your advertisement to them and you're saying, hey, would you like to learn how you can travel but earn money at the same time? Then obviously those people are going to stand out. They're going to be like, oh my God, what is this advertisement? And they click on it and they enter your sales funnel where they finally reach out to you and want to join your opportunity, and they sign up there and there. Okay. So that's the power of Facebook advertising, whatever business you're in. If you're in skincare, you can do skincare. See here, instead of travel, you can put skincare, and here you can put business. Okay. And you can put your advertisement in front of them and say, hey, would you like to sell awesome skincare whilst also making money off that? Okay. And that's something that they will be completely astonished by and they'll want to do in their life, which is what you can do. Okay. Now, the second thing that will allow you to actually sponsor more people every single month as you go on, and what I mean by that is that you can sponsor 10 people in your first month using Facebook advertisements, and then the next few months later, you can eventually scale and start to add up to 10, 20, 40, 50 people every single month into your business, okay? So the second way and the second reason you need Facebook advertising now is because you can scale up and start sponsoring more people every single month as you go on. Okay, so the second one is scale. You have the ability to scale how many people you want in your network marketing business. And let me explain what I mean by that, okay? So you can tell Facebook, hey, Facebook, firstly, I want to have a laser targeted ad. I want this advertisement to be put in front of people who are interested in travel and are also interested in business, okay? And then you can say, hey, I want to put in $10 a day, all right? So you can say, hey, I want to put in $10 a day. And then let's say with that $10 a day, you get one sign up, okay? So you get one sign up, right? And with that one sign up, you get a commission of, let's say, $50, right? So your profit was $40, okay? You've put in $10 in advertisements, you've made one sign up, and you've gotten $50 commission from that. Now, what does this mean when I talk about scale, okay? So what I mean is that you can take this money, all right? You've made $40 profit, okay? So you made $40 profit. And you can put $10 of this, okay? $10 of this profit back into your ad spend, okay? When you put it back into your ad spend, you're not spending any money whatsoever out of your own pocket, okay? All the money you put in and fund back into your advertisements was from your business, meaning you didn't spend any money from your pocket. All of the money that is funding your advertisements is complete business costs. okay? And eventually when you put $20 a day, you never know, your advertisement could be getting better. Facebook could be putting it in front of better people. You can eventually maybe even get 3 people and 3 signups, okay? And when that happens, right, you'll be getting $150 commission, or $150, yeah, $150 commission, which means that you can scale. Okay, so now you're putting only $20 a day. You can tell Facebook, hey, I'm off the back end. I'm making $130 profit. I want to put in $40 a day now. Okay, so you can double it and scale. Okay, so you have $130 profit here, right? And you can say, hey, Facebook, I want to now put $40 a day, and I want to keep the $90. Okay, so you just made $90 whilst also sponsoring 3 people. All right, now that's the power of Facebook ads. You'll be able to scale. You're able to put your advertisement in front of the exact person that you want in your business, and the exact person that would already have an interest in your network marketing business. Okay, so that's why you want to consider using Facebook advertising. Now, if you want to actually get into the deep end of it and like figuring out how you can do it in your business, all the technical and stuff, there's plenty of videos on YouTube. Okay, so you can go check them out. But I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to learn more from me to do with funnels and automation, and Facebook advertisements, even for network marketing, the best place you can go is go watch my free web class where I teach you how to sponsor more team members every single month with predictability in as little as an hour a day. And that's using automation, of course. The link is warriornetworker.com/training. So you can go check that out. It's a 21-minute training that will help you and benefit you in your network marketing business. And I hope you enjoy that video, this video and that web class, and I'll see you in the next one.